I would like to welcome you to the wonderful world of metal art and the limitless possibilities that exist in creating metal art. There are two different types or styles of creating metal art. There's welded art and there's sculpted art. And the difference between the two of them are really the techniques that you use. In welding metal art, it's actually very, very easy to get started and to be successful in welding art. The technique you use is simply tack welds on many different pieces, and you can make thousands and thousands of sculptures just by using a tack weld. And you really don't even need to learn the art of welding in order to create metal art. It's quite easy. So this is welded metal art, where I've taken small little tack welds to weld these pieces together and then finished it. And it's just very straightforward. There's one cut that I needed to make. So one cut and a few tack welds, and voila, you are successfully a metal sculptor, metal artist. And there are hundreds of different, thousands, hundreds, thousands of different, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of different pieces that you can make. This is all tack welds, scrap metal and tack welds. And as you can see, it's a little motorcycle, very easy to weld together. Takes a little bit of instruction, step by step. I've got a video on how to make this one, on all of these actually. However, very easy to create by tack welding pieces of metal together. I have one more over here that is, this is one of my very first sculptures ever that I created in my shop. And this is simply made, little tack welds, little top here, little back here. These are little coat hanger pieces. So scrap metal, little pieces of metal that I find all over the place or have or store up, and simply tack welding them together. So lots and lots and lots. And that is the easiest way to start welding metal art, is by tack welding pieces together. I've written 3 books on how to weld metal art. All 3 of them are available on Amazon and on my website. You can get signed copies on my website if you would like, and I send you stickers. How to weld scrap metal art, there's 30 projects in that. How to weld horseshoe crafts, there's 30 projects in that. And how to weld silverware animals, there are 30 projects in that. Each of them are very straightforward, very easy, shows you step by step how to create them. That is, in my opinion, the fastest and easiest way to get started in metal art. However, there is a second side to welding art, and that is sculpting art, which is a lot more difficult, a lot more involved, and, well, in my opinion, a lot more satisfying. So I started by creating the welded art and moved and taught myself how to move into welding art. Now, in welding art, in welding sculpture, this is a welded sculpture. She also started out with very similar materials. So her body, her arms, her legs, her head, those pieces are scrap metal, same as the welded art. However, in sculpting art, the pieces aren't recognizable anymore. So you can't tell that that's scrap metal in there unless I go back and show you how I did it, which there is a video here on YouTube of how I created her also. Her name is Patience. In sculpting metal art, the welding is very important. It is where you need to learn the welding techniques, you need to learn the fabrication techniques, and it's a lot more advanced. Different tools that go into it. However, what you create, and again, it's like hundreds of thousands, you're only limited by your imagination. Same as in the scrap art, same. However, it's the level of detail to your craftsmanship in sculpting art that which you should always have a level of craftsmanship in all that you do. However, it's the techniques that you use to create the art that become so much more advanced, that you will use different tools in sculpted art, and your grinding skills need to be on point, as well as welding skills. So it moves you into, it's a deeper level of craftsmanship when you move into sculpted art. Now, you don't have to do as elaborate pieces. So that's an angel. This is a little birdie that I made. This is sculpted art, just a very simple, very small little birdie here. I have, and these are just pieces I have off of sculptures. There's a little skull, all scrap metal, same thing, welded and then ground in with using tools and whatnot. Now, if you are just getting into, if you're just learning how to weld art, if you've seen this, if you saw the movie Castaway starring Tom Hanks like I did, and you're like, oh my gosh, this is for me, I need to be a sculptor, you can get started by in training your brain by creating scrap metal art or welded art where you're just using the tack welds. And when I say training your brain, you are learning to look at materials in a new way. These are not just horseshoes anymore. When you see horseshoes, like everyone sees horseshoes, however, you will start to see bookends and shamrocks and angel wings, and it just teaches you as you're creating these small, and I say small projects, they are easier projects. As you're creating these easier projects, you are training your brain in how to see the metal differently. And that is, in my opinion, and this is my my progress through metal art. I started with the welded art where I was just tack welding pieces together. And that allowed me to, as I'm working with different materials like scrap metal, I don't see scrap the same way other people see scrap, because I see it and I'm like, oh, that could be a motorcycle. Like this, most people see, oh, like it's a bunch of junk, it's 10 cents a pound in scrap to the short steel guy. But I see motorcycles, I see motorcycle wheels when I see gears. And by doing the projects in these books, the scrap metal art book, the How to Weld Silverware Animal book, and the Horseshoe Craft books, or just by going on YouTube, finding a teacher who speaks to you, who is teaching these techniques, it trains your brain in seeing things different. Because I've welded so many things in silverware, when I see a fork, I see a dude with I see a dude's face and his funky hair, or I see hands when I see forks. They're just not simply utensils anymore. And so by practicing doing these easier projects, the welded together projects, you practice training your brain, and you'll start seeing metal in a different way, and it'll allow you to then move on to, if you choose to move into the more sculpted pieces. Now, I've got over 100 videos here on YouTube teaching how to weld metal art. I am moving into teaching you how to sculpt metal art now. And if you're interested in taking your art from the welded art to the sculpted art, boy, have you come to the right place, because I am going into this intensely now. I just created a new playlist on my YouTube channel, how to sculpt metal. It is different than how to weld art. It is the more advanced. I've got one whole video on there. You are here at the beginning, and so you'll get to see all of it. So if you are interested in taking your metal art to the next level, the sculpted art videos are for you. So make sure you turn on your notifications and you're out there practicing and playing, and get ready, because here it comes. I'm so excited to take you and take myself and teaching you to a whole new level in creativity. So I hope you are enjoying yourself and creating. Be excellent to yourself, be excellent to each other. Do something today to make it a masterpiece. Love you.